Hi, Theo. What are you doing? You're pooping? Are you pooping on a big boy potty? Oh, are you done? Okay. What you doing? You're reading a book?
Yeah.
Are you sitting on your new potty?
Yeah.
What are you doing on the potty?
Pooping.
You're pooping?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. Are you done yet? Are you sure? Should we look and see?
No. No. Oh,
That's your potty book?
yeah.
What are you doing right now?
Reading.
You're reading it? Are you sitting on your new potty?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. What have you been doing on there? Have you been peeing?
Yeah.
Have you been pooing? Are you done yet?
Yeah.
Can we see?
Yeah.
Did you go?
No. It's poop.
You pooped in the potty?
Yeah.
Good job! Should we look at it? Let's see. You gonna show me? Whoa!
And small one and big one.
You want a big one?
Yeah.
What do we call that?
Little one.
Little poop? We call it a big poop?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do your poopy dance?
Yeah.
Okay, I did a poop dance.
Woo. Big poop.
Big poop? Can you do the poopy dance? Do the poopy dance. Just went poop in the potty for the second time. What did you get?
I got chocolate.
Chocolate? What else did you get when you went potty earlier today? Did you get a sticker?
Yeah.
Let me see. Where is it? Oh, what is it?
It's transforming.
It's a transformer.
Yeah.
What else did you get to help you go potty? Where's your potty doll? Is he over here?
Yeah. He's right there.
What's his name? Can you show him to me?
What?
Can you pick him up and show him to the camera?
It's a bear.
He's got a bear. What's his name? What's the little boy's name? Is it Henry?
Yeah.
And he has his own potty. Where's his little potty?
It's right there.
Oh, I think it's right here. Here. Right here.
It's right there.
Can you? Yeah, he's got his own little potty, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Does he sit on it?
Yeah.
Just like you?
Yeah. Oh.
And that's where he goes potty, huh? Good job.
All done.
All done. Are you all done?
Yeah.
Are you going to eat your chocolate now?
Yeah.
Alright. Good job, Theo.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Moses?
Uh-oh.
Oh. What?
Okay. You're going to eat it now? Let's see. Is it good? Good job.
I'm gonna eat it.
You're eating it, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let someone do it.
Good job, Theo. Yeah, they want to eat your chocolate too, don't they?
Yeah.
You're being a big boy. Bye-bye.